All right. Well, everyone's been called, so we are going to start. So for today, what we're going to do is our short practice for the AP exam. And when I say short, it's short because we have a very short class today. So it's designed to be done in like 40 minutes or less. So there's two versions of what's available for today. If you're planning on taking the AP exam, then you need to do the first version we're going to talk about, which is having to go through the 2021 Digital AP Exams testing app and doing the app demo. Do not do the practice exam, as that practice exam is, you need about an hour and a half to 2 hours to complete that. We don't have that kind of time today. Do the app demo. The app demo can be done in about 30 minutes or so. Right. So if you're planning on taking the AP exam, you should go through the 2021 Digital AP Exams app and log in and do the app demo. There are two practice options. One is the practice exam and one is the app demo. All right. So that's the first option. The second option will be for those of you who are not planning on taking the AP exam possibly, or you do not have a device that supports the AP exam app yet. Keep in mind, the 2021 Digital AP Exam app will work on all school-issued computers, whether it's a Chromebook or something else. If it's school-issued and school-managed, the app will work. It will work on MacBooks, right? Anything we're running Mac OS. It will work on laptops or PCs that are running Windows. It will not work on iPads. It will not work on cell phones. It will not work on personal Chromebooks. Okay, it just will not operate. So if you do not have a device that will accommodate the app, then you need to make sure you can get one, either by checking one out from the school or having access to one otherwise that you have reliable access to, and download the app onto that computer. If you don't have that today, then you'll do the other option, which is a practice little test/quiz, same length as the app demo in Canvas. All right, so real quick, we're going to look through the first option, which is the app. All right. If you're on a school laptop and you do not know if you have the 2021 Digital AP Exam app, go to the little search bar. Right? If you're running Windows, there's this little magnifying glass. If you're on a Chromebook, I think you have a big white space that's a little magnifying glass next to it in the bottom left corner. And just type in 2021. Most likely, it's going to pop up here. I'm sorry, I'm not sharing my screen yet. Let's do that. But again, if you type in the search bar, 2021, most likely the app will pop up. There we go. We'll do that. All right, so if we go to the search bar and we do 2021, right, the first thing that comes up here is the Digital AP Exams. It's this little acorn in a circle. That's the app you need. You want to open that. All right. I've already logged into mine, so I'm up on this page and I've already clicked over to the practice exams. Remember, do the app demo. This is short. Digital practice, you need about 2 hours to complete. We do not have time for that today. That will be done at a different time. All right. If you do not have the application on your computer, all right, we need to download the 2021 AP Exam app. All right, and we'll put this link into the chat to get to this page. Which will come up here in a second. If you need to download the app because you do not have this on your computer, or you can't find it on your school laptop, you need to go to this link. Right. That link will take you to this page where you can download the 2021 AP Exam app. All right, download requires Windows 8 or later, blah, 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 all these things. All right, if it's already installed, you can ask to launch the app, and if it doesn't work, right, then you need to download. Right, so you need to get into the app. Once you download the app, you need to run it, get it open, and log in. You must log in to confirm that the app was installed properly. If you are unable to log in, that means it didn't install properly. You probably need to contact, school IT and such to try to get things working. All right. Does anyone need help with this part? Anyone who is planning on taking the AP exam who does not have the app on their computer, or you cannot get it downloaded, or you are confused about what you should be doing? Right. So then, if you're planning on taking the AP exam and you're going to do this app demo today, you'll click on, it won't say check in now because you need to do the exam setup first, which we have that button here on the digital practice. I did the exam setup for a previous class to show them how it worked. You will do the start exam setup, you go through all that, you'll finish that, then it'll pop over to this screen here where it says check in now. You'll go through the check-in process, and then you'll start the practice, the AP demo, the app demo, right, which consists of 4 multiple choice questions and 1 free response question. I think you have 5 minutes to answer the multiple choice questions and 15 minutes for the free response question. And you get a 2-minute break in between the sections. Right. If you are not planning on taking the AP exam, or you cannot access the AP digital testing exam app, then you're going to do the other version of this practice that we have on Canvas. Right, and this is the, we go to today's date here, the AP exam practice. Right, it should also show up in your to-do list. My test student already did it, so it doesn't show up on the to-do list. Right. This is what you'll do. It's a little short exam. Again, this is the same. It has 4 multiple choice questions, 1 free response question. I have a time limit set to 30 minutes, and you, just like in the testing app, the AP exam app, you cannot move backwards once you've answered a question. I have disabled that. You get 1 question at a time. Once it's answered, you're moving on. All right. Again, either of these things are very low stakes today. You just need to try, turn them in, you get credit for participation. These are participation things. It gets marked as complete or incomplete. Right? The only way to get an incomplete is to not do it. Right? So there is that. Also, either of these things that you're doing today, I highly encourage you to challenge yourself, especially because it is low stakes, to only use the formula sheet and tables that are provided, right, which you have a link to in this Canvas one, and you'll have the resources in the top right corner of your screen in the exam app, and calculator and scratch paper. Try to do it with just that and see how you can do. All right. So those are the options for today. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop sharing my screen, and I'm going to drop the link for the Canvas version of this into the chat. That will be in the chat right here, right? All right, so there's a link directly to the little practice AP exam, a very short one. That is a 30-minute time limit for today. So depending on what boat you're in, whether you're planning on taking the AP exam or you're not planning on taking the AP exam, you have one of these two things to do. Doing either one of them will get you your participation for today, as far as grading is concerned. Is there any questions? No, if you're doing the practice on the app, you do not need to do anything in Canvas. I have a little dashboard view to see who has completed the app demo or the practice exams within the testing app. And so I'll be using that to see who has, and then I will go and cross-reference that into the gradebook and mark this assignment in Canvas as complete for you. You do not need to do anything in Canvas if you do the app demo today. Don't even worry about it. I will make sure you get credit. All right, now keep in mind this class ends in 31 minutes. All right, at 2:20, and your next class starts at 2:30. So make sure you're managing your time. You know, if you're still in the app demo and you're not done with the question, the free response question, but you need to wrap it up and get ready for your next class, just click through and submit. Don't worry about that you didn't finish, right? We're just going for the experience here. So any other questions? Okay, so with that, also I can check and see who is actually in the Canvas quiz and such while you're taking it, and so I can tell if you're doing it or not on that site too. Please, whichever option you're doing today, please begin. I will remain on this channel. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can message directly in this conversation here in the chat, or you can message me directly through Teams if that is better for you. If anything comes up, you need help with anything, you're not able to access something, I'm happy to troubleshoot and help you. Other than that, please begin. And I'll give you some reminders of how much time is left along the way here.